Yes, what's that? Water. Who created the water? Khayil? Say Picky Picky. Yeah, that's Picky Picky. Oh, what is he doing to the Picky Picky?
Wet.
Sorry?
Wet.
Wet. Oh, the Picky Picky is wet. So what is he doing to the Picky Picky?
Wet.
Wiping. Say wiping.
Wet.
Wiping. Good. He's wiping the Picky Picky. Wow, so beautiful. The river is beautiful. Then there's a place there where the river is hitting. Oh, it's hitting the rocks. Wow. Khayil. Hey, baby girl. Say hi. Oopsie, oopsie, oopsie. Oh no. Khayil. I spin your, whatever. Spin it. Let me see. Let me see. Wow. Oh my goodness. Oh, Khayil. Yay. Sorry. Wow.